Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a BEOSOUND CORE from Bang & Olufsen audio converter box and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this unit is not connecting to something, or if it's not being detected, if it keeps disconnecting, if it's not pairing somehow, any kind of issues like this, if it's not responding, can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to set this up like it's a brand new device and wipe everything off of it so it's like it's just coming out of the box. We can do that and it's really quite easy to do. You just need to, first of all, make sure that it's plugged in and make sure that the indicator light on here is not flashing red or white. If it's flashing red or white, this will not work. But once it's connected to power, then we're just going to go ahead and find this configuration button right here. Here's the power button, and then over here we're just going to press and hold this configuration button for more than 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, that will trigger a factory reset. This light will turn solid red momentarily and then go off. And then just wait a minute for it to finish its reset, and then you can go ahead and set this up as a new device.